Are you looking for a wireless setup for your keyboard and mouse? Well, in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the E-YOOSO E776, which is a mouse and a keyboard combo. It's completely wireless. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so thanks to E-YOOSO for actually reaching out to me to send me this wireless keyboard and mouse combo, the E776 in particular for this one. Now, the reason why I really like this setup is because it's completely wireless and there's only one USB receiver to connect both of them to your laptop, computer, or whatever it may be. I even saw a video of someone actually using this for their TV because it has up to 33 feet of connection from wherever you're sitting to the device you're trying to connect to. Here is the mouse right here, all in this nice bubble wrap packaging, so you don't have to worry about getting destroyed or anything. It's got this nice shiny finish right here. It's not so much a matte look, but more of a shiny finish right here. And it's got a little bit of texture as well to place your wrist on the keyboard. Then what you're going to see right here is a place to put in the two AAA batteries. So they're just going to go right here. And mind you, they're AAA and they do not come with this keyboard, so you're going to have to get those before you buy this one if you want to use it right out of the box. Then we have these stands right here that flick out, and it goes up to 8 degrees for your comfort when you put it on the desk like so and type on it like this. So it's a nice angle, very comfortable. It's not too high, not too low. And if you don't like that, you can always clip them back in and push it down if you want a nice flat surface for typing on the keyboard instead of at an angle. Alright, so I'm just going to put this back on like so. Another thing I forgot to mention about this keyboard is as I was typing on it, it is super soft, you guys. Like compared to my other keyboard, is like almost like a muted. It's like almost maybe 5 times softer than my actual keyboard that I'm using at the moment. So I might actually swap this out and use this keyboard instead, just because of how quiet it is and the nice sleek look of it. And then for the mouse, what we have here is the E-YOOSO mouse. So I love this type of E-YOOSO mouse where it's nice and skinny. They have other E-YOOSO mouses where they go out a little bit or they're a little bit thicker. This is a nice size E-YOOSO mouse, especially for at least my preference for when I'm using this, just for any type of computer work or working just in general, because of just like being nice and small. I don't have like crazy big hands or anything, so that's why having a mouse this size is perfect for me in particular. It does have this nice matte finish right here, so it feels nice and soft and comfortable. It also has up to 3 adjustable DPI levels, so pretty much what that means is if you click right here, that will allow you to move your mouse at a certain speed on the screen. So it has 3 different capabilities for like fast, medium, and slow. And then it also has kind of this plug and play feature. So pretty much if you see here in the back, if you take this panel off, it's going to have the USB receiver right here. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to pop that out and you're going to plug this into any part of your computer or your laptop that has a USB input. And once this is plugged in, and obviously you need AA batteries for the back of this mouse, 2 AAA batteries for the back of the keyboard. Once that is all configured, then you will be able to use these both with just this one receiver, which is incredible. There's no wires, very simple setup, doesn't take up a lot of real estate with all these different USB cords, which I love. I wish every device was like that where they're all combined. The only problem is, let's say you want a different mouse for this keyboard or a different keyboard for this mouse, then you're just gonna have to put in 2 USB receivers. But if you like this combo, you like this mouse with this keyboard, that's the absolute perfect setup for you, because you can have the best of both worlds of just using one receiver, which is great. At an angle, I prefer it like this. The travel, the keyboard feels really nice. Overall, really nice quality feel. It doesn't feel cheap at all or anything. It's got this nice professional kind of graded look at the bottom. And overall, I really like kind of how this keyboard turned out in terms of look and feel, along with the mouse that they provided as well. So if you guys did find this video helpful of reviewing the E776 E-YOOSO wireless keyboard and mouse combo, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you could subscribe, I would greatly appreciate the support. But without further ado, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in future videos. Thanks.